Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Bars, and today in this video I will be reviewing the Nusantara ROM for our Poco F1. Let me just quickly go into the setting and show you what this ROM is to offer us. If I go to the about section, you can see here it's running on the latest Android 12L and the security patch is as of May 5th, and we are getting the silver core kernel. Now if I go to quickly into the apps, here all the settings remain same, and these all are standard Android 12 functions, no changes regarding that. Now if I go to the Nusantara wings, here we get the game space as we saw in the previous ROMs like Pixel Experience or the Dubfest, any other ROMs. So yeah, these all are the same of the functions, like you can disable the screenshot and all those things, auto brightness. The settings remains completely same, no changes in the game bar. Now if I go to themes, here you're getting the theme support, so which is really good. You can change the icon packs and all those things. Font style we are also getting like preloaded. We're getting the icon shape. So yeah, we also get the Monet engine, so which is really good. You can customize the color of the theme, like, which is really good. And here we are getting this Nusantara clear theme, so basically it applies the Nusantara theme. Everything's become like clear dark. And here we have the lock screen items. So yeah, these all are simple functions. And here is the fingerprint preference, like here so you can turn on these settings, like fingerprint error vibration. If you use a wrong finger, so it will vibrate that it is a wrong fingerprint. So yeah, these all are simple functions. Now if I go to battery options, yeah, you're getting the standard battery options like battery style and all those things. So right now I'm kept in the text format only. You can turn on this battery estimate, so you can check the estimated remaining battery life when it's available actually. And this is the quick settings. Here you can customize the quick settings panel. So these are standard functions. This is the traffic indicators. Obviously you can turn on to check the network speed, connectivity and all those things. And here we are getting the buttons and navigation. So if I go to in button, you can use this volume rocker button, like you can wake the device on and all those things. Navigation are simple, like the 2-finger navigation, 3-finger navigation. You can change it from here only. Like if I go to system navigation, so right now it's set in the gesture navigation. Obviously you can also set in the 3 and 2-finger navigation. And yeah, so these are the standard customization which this ROM has to offer us, which is really good. And the customers are somewhat close to the other ROMs also, like the Dubfest and Corvus, all those ROMs. Now if I go to the sound setting, everything remains same. You get the per app volume control, which is really good. And we also get the MI sound enhancer. And yeah, regarding both the fingerprint and face lock, both are working fine. I got no issues. I actually set it up, so yeah, both are working fine. Now if I go to systems, here we have these gestures and all those things, like quickly turn on the camera and all those things. Settings are available here. Also the system navigation is also present here, so yeah, which is good. And regarding the performance of this ROM, performance is really good. And the battery life is somewhat close to the Dubfest ROM actually, with the silver core kernel. I think you can use the NGK kernel, so you will get some more extra battery life with that NGK kernel. And if I show you the safety net test, by default it shows pass, which is really good. And the RAM management is also not that bad, it's working fine for me. So yeah, we also get the FM radio support, which is really good actually. FM radio is also supported in this ROM. And here is the quick setting panels, like we have tons of settings which you can customize. Yeah. And yeah, regarding the stability of this ROM, I do get here and there lag. Let me just check the screen record if it's lagging. Or if I go to, yeah, here is the screen record. Let me just start, and let me just start if it's lagging. Or yeah, it's a bit laggy. You can see the animation. It's a bit laggy, not that great. You can see the animation. So yeah, these all are the problems I think this ROM has to offer us. And regarding the benchmark and the CPU throttling app, I will provide both the screenshots in the description below, so you can check it from there only itself. The scores, I think the scores will be somewhat near to the toughest ROM, I guess, in my opinion. Like or even more than that with the silver core kernel. If you use the NGK kernel, I think you will get more performance out of it. So yeah, regarding the installation, the installation is pretty simple. I will show you in the next step. So stick around with it. So to install this ROM, at first you need to go to wipe, then advanced wipe, select LV cache system vendor data, and just swipe. Then go back, go to install. First select the firmware file, and then just swipe to flash. After this, go to ROMs. In my case, it's in the ROM folder. So here is the ROM file, and just swipe to flash. So I will be back after completing this process. So it will take some time, like around 1 to 2 minutes. So yeah. So as you can see, we are done with the flashing process. So now go back. For the encrypted users, you need to go to wipe, then format data, then you need to type here yes, and just click on the tick button. So yeah, so for the non-encrypted users, you need to go to install, and you need to also flash the DFE file, and just swipe to confirm flash. After this, we are done. It will take around 30 seconds. And now just hit reboot system, and we are done. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you like it, and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, comment down in the comment section below. I will surely help you regarding the installation of this ROM. Thank you.